Today on Animal Fact Files, we're discussing aardwolves. Though their name means earth wolf and they have a dog-like appearance, like their relatives the hyenas, aardwolves are more closely related to cats. Aardwolves are native to Africa. There are two populations, one in southern Africa and one in eastern Africa, but they are separated by wet forests. Aardwolves live in dry savanna and scrublands, but not forests and deserts. They're nocturnal and shy. Some people have never even heard of them. Had you before clicking on this video? Aardwolves use the abandoned burrows of aardvarks, spring hares, and porcupines. They move once at least every 8 weeks and spend their days resting in these underground dens. They'll also dig out their own burrows if needed. They have 5 toes on their front feet and 4 on their back. Like hyenas, they have longer front legs than back legs, giving them a sloped appearance. Aardwolves are the smallest of the hyena family, standing less than 3 feet tall at the shoulders and weighing 18 to 31 pounds. Males and females have no sexual dimorphism, so neither is larger than the other. Aardwolves look a lot like their striped hyena family members, and some have suggested this may be a form of mimicry, but there isn't enough information available to substantiate this. Aardwolves are separated from hyenas because they are unable to crush bone. Instead, they have peg-like molars to crush termites. Aardwolves are insectivores, and they almost exclusively eat termites. They locate these insects by sound and sight. Unlike aardvarks, aardwolves don't dig into a mound. They just lick the insects from the soil's surface with their broad, sticky tongue. In a single night, an individual aardwolf can eat more than 200,000 termites. Some termites can release toxins to ward off predators, but aardwolves seem to have no reaction to this and just keep right on licking. They also eat eggs, mice, and carrion, though this is in smaller quantities. Aardwolves don't depend on water if they've had enough to eat, because they get moisture from their food. Though aardwolves forage alone, they share a territory with a partner. This is defended with strong scent marking from their anal glands called pasting. They'll rub their bums against objects around their range to let others know that they live there. When confronted with a stranger, they'll become aggressive and raise the hairs along their neck to make their body appear larger. Some of these neck hairs can be more than half a foot long when fully erect. Mating happens around June and July, and a male may mate with multiple females if adjoining males are weaker. A female gestates 3 months and gives birth to 2 to 5 cubs in the den. They remain here for a month before starting to venture outside. The den is fiercely defended by the male, but babies may be taken by black-backed jackals. Adult aardwolves have no natural predators, but humans may kill them out of fear of their livestock. Unfortunately, this has a reverse effect because aardwolves eat the termites that would eat the grass their livestock would otherwise eat. Not all termites eat wood. Fortunately, aardwolves currently have stable populations. They're just rarely seen because they mostly come out at night. Juvenile aardwolves take a few months to become independent and remain in their parents' territory until the following year, when the breeding season begins anew. It's unknown how long they live in the wild, but they have survived to nearly 20 years old in captivity. For more facts on aardwolves, check out the links below. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Thank you to our patrons, SpikeSpiegel93, Dad, and everyone else for their support of this channel. Thank you to these viewers for today's request, and thank you for watching Animal Fact Files.